I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be?
Ran out of space. Too many luggages. Time to get lunch. We are at the food trucks. Specifically, we're going to get shrimp truck. Right there. This is one.
Is Hawaiian Stampy?
Wow. Look at this cute bag. Good at
Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
We're here.
And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present. Mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll
We're finished. We're heading back to the Airbnb, and then we're gonna change and get to the beach.
Is the beach like a drive or just walk?
No, it's a walk. I feel like we spent all day on the plane, in the car, but we still have some time before sunrise or sunset. We just got to the Airbnb. Let me do a quick little tour. We have a room here with a wonderful little view. The beach is like right there, but we can't see it. And we have this really big closet. Here's our bed, and then here's the laundry. We're washing the towels right now. And here's our bathroom, primary bathroom, and primary bed. Kind of overlooks the rest of the house. Mirror. Downstairs. Luggages. Here's the front door. Here's the kitchen. I'm the only one here right now. They went to get the stuff in the car. Very cute dining area. And here's the living room. We have the AC on because it's so stuffy. But here's the balcony patio area. Very nice. Yeah, so that's the tour of our Airbnb. Right now I am unpacking our stuff. Well, right now I only have like the backpack, but we're getting settled right now. We want to go to the beach. So we're just unpacking. We took one personal item onto the plane. So I have to get all my stuff out from the backpack. I'm so excited. Oh, also, I already mentioned earlier, but I got a new bag. I got the Palm Springs Mini. I'm gonna do like an unboxing. I'm very, very excited.
What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city.
We are heading to the beach now. Yeah. It's just us two. It's what, 5:30?
Yeah.
5:28. And we're gonna go to the beach. It's so cloudy.
Yeah. We'll just dip our feet in it first.
You have my phone, right?
Kahana.
I can't wait to come back when I have long, long, long hair. Then I'll really... Oh my gosh! Oh no, it's dirty. This literally looks like my hair clip. That's crazy. even know what beach this is. We're walking all the way over there.
Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say.
Cắm coi mẫu mại mà.
Find parking.
Just waiting, the same spot. Yeah, so new bag. I told him like, we'll be back. Groceries part 2. We're back now. We're making food because it's like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm not happy with my life this way. Cause I know both ways that I'll be thinking
Or the butter.
about parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city.
Finished dinner. Well, just finished dinner. I'm gonna go shower now. I feel a little bit dizzy. But I'm excited for tomorrow and the rest of the day, I guess. There's gonna be a lot we're doing. It's gonna be super eventful. So I am excited. I'm gonna go shower and we're gonna sleep because we have to get up at 2 a.m. and it's currently 8:44. Or we have to leave by 2 a.m. so we have to get up at like 1. But anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Red, blue,